The Citroën C4 Picasso II from 2013 to 2018 uses Bluetooth for connecting your phone and audio system. This technology allows for hands-free calls and wireless music streaming in your vehicle. While the pairing process remains straightforward, firmware updates can enhance compatibility with modern smartphones. Bluetooth in your C4 Picasso II relies on key profiles for different functions. Let's break down the main ones: A2DP for music streaming, HFP for hands-free calls, and PBIP for accessing your phone's contacts. A2DP handles music streaming, allowing you to play audio from apps like Spotify directly through your car's sound system with good quality. HFP manages phone calls, routing them through your car's audio system for safer, hands-free conversations while driving. PBIP lets your car system access and display your phone's contacts, making it simple to call people using voice commands or the car's controls. For best results, ensure your smartphone supports Bluetooth 2.0 or newer with these profiles. Modern phones work seamlessly, but older devices might need software adjustments or updates. Together, these Bluetooth profiles enable a smooth, integrated experience in your C4 Picasso II. Follow these steps to pair your phone with the Bluetooth system in your C4 Picasso II. First, turn on the car's ignition and engage the parking brake to activate the infotainment system. Next, on the car's touchscreen, navigate to the phone or audio settings menu. Enable Bluetooth visibility on your phone so it can be discovered by the car. Select Search for Devices on the car screen and choose your phone from the list. Enter the PIN code when prompted, which is usually 0000 or 1234. Confirm the pairing and set your phone as a trusted device for automatic reconnection in the future. Once your phone is paired, you can stream music through apps like Spotify directly to the car's audio system. The Bluetooth connection supports high-quality audio streaming for an enjoyable listening experience. Adjust the volume using the car's built-in controls on the dashboard. This allows you to maintain focus on driving while controlling your music playback safely. For phone calls, both incoming and outgoing calls automatically route through the car's speakers and microphone. This hands-free system ensures clear communication without needing to touch your phone. This Bluetooth setup significantly improves driving safety by reducing distractions and keeping your hands free for vehicle control. If you encounter Bluetooth issues in your C4 Picasso II, start by resetting Bluetooth on both your phone and the car system. Hold the Bluetooth button on your phone or select Factory Reset in the car's touchscreen menu to clear connections. Next, ensure a clear line of sight between your phone and the vehicle to reduce signal obstacles. Check for firmware updates through Citroën Service or use the Citroën Update application for better compatibility. Finally, interference from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or other devices can cause connection drops. Keep your phone clear of these sources. Check for firmware updates through Citroën's official service network or authorized dealers. These updates improve compatibility with modern smartphones, addressing issues like connection drops and security vulnerabilities. Community forums like citroenforums.com often have user reports on update experiences. The C4 Picasso II doesn't come with built-in support for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. However, aftermarket modules are available for $200 to $500 to add wireless mirroring capabilities. These upgrades enable voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, plus better navigation and app control. Keep in mind that installing these modules may void your vehicle's warranty. Here's what Android Auto looks like in action, with a split view showing the upgraded interface. And Apple CarPlay provides a similar seamless experience for iPhone users. Bluetooth technology in your C4 Picasso II serves as a reliable foundation, but the automotive world is moving toward more advanced wireless ecosystems. Your vehicle's Bluetooth 4.0 supports essential functions, but it's evolving to Bluetooth 5.3, offering faster data transfer and improved smartphone compatibility. Future trends point to Wi-Fi Direct and 5G V2X technologies, enabling zero-latency connections for real-time traffic updates and seamless integration with AI-driven features like predictive pairing. For enhanced functionality, consider aftermarket retrofits for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. These upgrades, costing $200 to $500, provide wireless navigation and app control, though professional installation is recommended. To stay connected, regularly check for firmware updates through Citroën dealers and keep your phone's software current. This ensures optimal performance, security, and compatibility with evolving wireless standards.